Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ifeobi. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to stretch out your twist in a very simple and easy way. Today I'm going to show you guys how to stretch out your twist. Firstly, you're going to want to make sure that your hair is 40% wet. So I was inspired to shoot this video by one Curly, I can't remember, but I'm going to check it out and I'm going to put her name here. Yeah, I was inspired by her to try and stretch out my twist because my twist looked all shrinked up and making my hair look short. Meanwhile, my hair is longer than that. Yeah. This part of my hair, I actually stretched it out for a few hours, not like overnight, but like a few hours, so it's not looking all stretched out. But if you notice, it's longer than this one. I'm going to show you how I stretch out my twist. I've tried it and it works, so this time around I'm going to be leaving it overnight. She made use of Ouchless band or scrunchies to stretch out her hair, but I'm going to be making use of shoelaces. Like, I have just like 2 Ouchless bands. I'm going to section my hair into like 4 to 5 places. So I think it's like 40%. Yeah. I'm going to make use of my oil because I feel like the shoelace is going to take a little bit of oil out of my hair. So guys, I'm sure you're wondering, this twist has been on me for like, today is making it 1 month. Like, I'm really enjoying the twist, so I'm trying my best to shoot every video that is helpful, you know, when it comes to mini twist. If this is your first time in my video or you haven't watched my other videos, kindly go to my channel. There are other videos I've released for mini twist, how to maintain, how to moisturize using the LCO method. Those tips and those steps have kept me going, have kept me enjoying my twists. Because I added a little bit of water, my hair is more manageable, easy to like stretch out. I take my shoelace, I'm just going to start off like this. Having made sure this one is longer, I'm just going to start. Just make sure it's not too tight so that, see, I'm pulling it too tight, I'm just losing it a little, see? So that it won't break my hair. So as I'm making it, I'm making sure to pull my hair down so that it will straighten or so that it will stretch out. So I keep pulling my hair down like so. So when I get here, I'm just going to stop because I don't want to mess up my curls. Yeah, I don't want to mess up my curls. I still want my curls to be intact when I am losing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie it. That's why I said leave a little bit out so you'll be able to tie it like so. I just tie it like once so that my shoelace won't be knotted and it won't be hard to get off. That's basically how to stretch out your natural hair when you are in twist. Feel free to loosen it up a bit or pull your hair from the root. Pull it out a little. Like this was tight, but now it's very, you know, it's bearable. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. This is like the second day, and like I said, this is how I slept, but with my hair bonnet on my hair. So now we are going to be taking out these shoelaces to see how stretched out my hair is. stretched it out. Like my hair wasn't getting to this point before. My hair was shorter than this. So yeah, it stretched out my hair perfectly well. The shoelaces actually straightened out my hair. It actually stretched out my hair. This is not how my hair was looking before I used the shoelaces to try to stretch them out. So we are going to take out the back. So this is basically how my hair looks like, all stretched out, like so stretched out. To make it more defined, I'm going to use my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I make sure to like squeeze it in so that the product can penetrate my hair shaft. This is my stretched out hair, looking all lovely. Like my hair is longer than the way it was. If you feel like your hair is long and the twist you made is making it look like your hair is short and not straightened up, I advise you use shoelaces, or if you have Ouchless bands, that's this kind of band. If you don't know how to use Ouchless bands to straighten your hair, I would advise you use shoelaces. And yeah, that's basically it. There's nothing else to say. There is nothing else to say. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, why don't you smash that subscribe button? Smash it. Will you keep quiet? Why don't you smash that subscribe button and join my amazing family? And kindly turn up. Sorry, turn up. Oh, sorry. Kindly turn on your post notification button so that anytime I post, you, yes, I mean you're going to be the first to know. I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye.